Introducing the newly upgraded and approved Nova Cash 2024. This Nova Cash was just launched and it is massively paying all new users this December. Once you get this Nova Cash, install it to your device and proceed to register as a new user by putting your email and your password to create your account successfully. Once you put your email, you create a good password you'll be using to use this Nova Cash. Then you can now proceed to put your first name and your last name to process creating your account as a new user. Once you are done, you tap to go to earning and proceed to create your account. As you can see, my account has been created with welcome bonus of 0 naira. Then the Nova ID is there with my name in the dashboard. So what you first of all do here is to start earning as a new user. You click on this blue gift box in the center to start earning. As you can see, the earning has started successfully, and the maximum point of this earning is 150,000 for all new users. And this Nova Cash was just approved and it is massively paying all new users. So once it reached 150,000, as you can see, the earning has completed. Take note, what you first of all do after your earning is to activate this Nova Cash. As you can see, account not activated as a new user. So what you do is to activate this Nova Cash to enable you get your transaction pin for your withdrawal. You tap on withdraw now, then you go to bank and select the bank you are using. So I'm using PalmPay. I'll select PalmPay. Then you put your account number. Once you put your account number, it will dictate your account name immediately. Then you proceed to put the amount. I want to withdraw 145,000 out of 150,000. You can withdraw more or less. Once you tap proceed, it will take you to where you put your activation pin for withdrawal if your account is activated. So you proceed to get your activation code as a new user to enable you start withdrawing successfully from Nova Cash. So you tap on buy activation code. Once you tap on it, you follow the second one, which is fund with bank transfer. Once you tap on it, it will give you the dashboard. As you can see, the activation account is active. You take note of this bank name .bank, this account number, this account name, and this activation amount of 5,000. So what you see there is make a one-time payment to the details above to activate your account and withdraw instantly. And take note, this one-time account expires within 30 minutes and it has started reading. So what you first of all do here is to copy this account number. Once you copy this account number, you tap on copy, then you can now go to any of your bank. Once you go to any of your bank, this is my PalmPay, as you can see, with my name. What you do is to go to bank, select bank, and search for .bank. Take note, .bank. Then you paste the already copied account number. It will show the verified activation name. This is when you can now proceed to make your activation payment of 5,000 from your balance. Once the payment is successful, let me put my pin. Once this payment is successful, it will now guarantee you of the activation. Then you go back. Once you make the payment, make sure you make the payment. Then you go back, you will see I have made payments. Make sure you make this activation payment before tapping on I have made payments. Then once you tap on it, you wait for it to process your payment to get you to the activation aspect. As you can see, payment successfully received. Get your activation code. That means it has been activated. Once you tap on it, it will go back to the dashboard. As you can see, account activated successfully. And this is my transaction pin for withdrawal. So this is when I can now start withdrawing from Nova Cash as a new user once the account is activated. So what you now do is to go to your process of withdrawal. Once your bank is now there, then you now put your account number. You will do the process of the withdrawal. You put your account number. It will show your name. Take note, make sure the information you are putting here is correct. Once you put it, then it will show your name. Then you put the same amount, 145,000 or 150, any amount you want to withdraw. Then this is where you can now put the pin that was activated and shown in the dashboard for your withdrawal. Take note that this pin can only be used by one person. Once you use it, it will expire. As you can see, your withdrawal of 145,000 was successful. The account is activated. That is why it is successful. This is the receipt of my withdrawal, account number, recipient, then with my name and everything, with date and everything. So you now go back to your PalmPay or your OPay, the one you used in your activation, and start refreshing. It will reflect to your bank immediately. The 145,000 or 150, any amount to withdraw will reflect. Make sure you make this activation payment. Okay, as you can see, you've received 145,000 from Nova Cash service. It has been credited to your PalmPay account. Let's go to history. As you can see, receive from Nova Cash service. If you come down to note, you see generated successful from Nova Cash service, successful activation and withdrawal. It is massively paying all users today. This is the full recipient name, which is my name, Caleb Emmanuel. Sender name, Nova Cash service. Once you get this Nova Cash, make sure you install it to your device. Proceed to create your account. Make your earning and activate to enable you withdraw successfully before it expires for new users.